Welcome, everyone. My name is Uchab, and this is a NextGen Coding Company presentation. We're dedicated to empowering business leaders and decision makers like you with cutting-edge software and insights from the tech world. NextGen is a 100% USA-based software development company based out of Raleigh, North Carolina, focused on AI, machine learning, blockchain, automation, and computer vision. We have a full staff of engineers, designers, and testers supporting full end-to-end software development services. Our motto is simple: we code the future. Please like, follow, subscribe, and reach out if you have any questions or a software project we can help bring to life. Today, we're diving into a core discipline within data science that's crucial for managing, processing, and preparing data for analysis: data engineering. What is data engineering? Data engineering is the practice of designing, building, and managing the infrastructure and tools that allow organizations to store, process, and analyze large sets of data. Data engineers create pipelines to collect, transform, and load data from various sources into a usable format, ensuring that the data is clean, reliable, and accessible for data analysts, scientists, and decision makers. Think of it as the process of setting up and maintaining the roads and highways that data travels on, ensuring smooth, efficient flow from its origin to its final destination. Today's agenda: what exactly is data engineering and why is it important? The role of data pipelines and data infrastructure, a simple diagram to show how data flows in a typical data engineering system. A deeper look into the tools and technologies used by data engineers. Real-world examples of data engineering across industries. Let's start with a simple analogy. Imagine building a city's road system. You need to ensure that traffic can flow smoothly from residential areas, data sources, to business districts, data analysis, and reporting tools. If the roads aren't designed properly, traffic jams, data bottlenecks, will occur. A data engineer ensures that the data flows efficiently and is ready for analysis by building and maintaining these data roads. Now let's walk through a simple diagram. Data is collected from various sources: websites, sensors, databases. Data engineers build pipelines that clean, transform, and aggregate the data. The processed data is stored in a centralized data warehouse or lake. Data scientists or analysts can now use the data for analysis or machine learning models. Every time you see a report, predictive analysis, or recommendation, data engineers help ensure that the data was properly processed and made available for analysis. Now let's go deeper. In more advanced systems, data engineers work with large-scale infrastructure, ensuring that data is stored and processed efficiently. Tools like Apache Kafka, Apache Spark, and cloud-based systems like AWS Redshift or Google BigQuery help handle massive data sets, ensuring performance and scalability. Data engineers are responsible for designing fault-tolerant systems that scale with business growth while ensuring data quality and integrity. Why does this matter to your business? Data engineering is essential for building scalable data infrastructure for growth, ensuring data is clean, structured, and accessible, powering data analytics, business intelligence, and machine learning models, automating the flow of data across systems and departments, improving decision-making. Industries that rely on data engineering every day include e-commerce for tracking customer behavior, product recommendations, and sales predictions; healthcare for processing medical data, patient records, and research insights; finance for real-time transaction analysis, fraud detection, and risk modeling; media and entertainment for personalizing content and delivering recommendations to users. Pro tip: when building your data infrastructure, always consider the scale of your operations and choose the right tools for your data needs. Use cloud services when you need scalability and flexibility. Use distributed systems when you're processing vast amounts of data. To recap, data engineering is the backbone of any data-driven organization. Data engineers create and maintain the infrastructure that ensures data flows smoothly and is always ready for analysis. Without data engineering, your business wouldn't have the reliable, accessible data needed for decision-making, innovation, or growth. At NextGen, we build custom data engineering solutions that align with your product, your data, and your growth strategy. Whether you're building a real-time data pipeline or setting up a data lake, Our team will ensure your data infrastructure is secure, scalable, and optimized for success. Visit nextgencodingcompany.com or reach out to us at admin@nextgencodingcompany.com. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to stay up to date with more easy-to-digest NextGen lessons.